guys, what's going on? Maggie from M&R here. Today we are in Philly visiting our friend Mario over at CAGEHEAD Apparel. Let's go. Hey Mario.
Whoa, good
nice
to see you guys.
again.
Sorry, my hand's a little cold.
Oh, it's okay. You want a chest bump?
Sure. All right, you want to check out the shop?
Hell yeah, let's go.
All right, here we are.
So this is where the magic happens.
That's great.
I have to ask you, CAGEHEAD, your logo, were you tripping on acid when you created that or what?
Actually, it's a longer story, but why don't I tell you how I got into printing?
Okay, tell me.
All right, so I was actually doing Uber, and I was up north from Philadelphia, and a drunk driver pulled a U-turn, and I T-boned them, and fast forward, I had to go to the doctor, to a chiropractor. The chiropractor wanted business cards, and I do Photoshop, so I designed them for chiropractor, and he said, can I get some shirts? I got the business cards from Vistaprint. Vistaprint offered t-shirts, so then it said, screen printing, minimum 6. I was like, what is screen printing? I literally had no idea. And I started to research, and I was like, wow, this is awesome. So at that point, I start investigating where can I get a screen printing press. So I found one on OfferUp. As soon as I got it, my friend, his dad owned a pallet company. He said, hey, my dad wants 75 t-shirts. So there's a place that's been around forever, just closed. They burned screens, they had ink, they had everything I needed. So I got set up, got his logo, and went to the room and started printing. It was like blue reflex ink, super easy to print. It was probably really crooked. They were just left chest. But from then on, I just became like, I guess, obsessed with just learning and getting better. And here I am, I don't know, I guess 5 years later.
CAGEHEAD Apparel was born.
CAGEHEAD Apparel.
So you built CAGEHEAD on this chameleon, huh?
That's right. Got this chameleon during COVID from Chicago, actually. Victory Printing, I believe they were called, but it really has changed my business from the point I got the chameleon. That's when I really started to improve the quality of printing, really learn different techniques, start working with water-based ink, and start doing my social media. And like from the chameleon, it's really given me the confidence to put out the product that I can, because what I was using before, it couldn't withstand me doing a push or pull stroke without almost flipping over. And I don't know if you see my Instagram, I've been on top of this, and M&R's presses are very solid.
And now, you will not be in any more body pain because...
That's right. Switching to an auto, which we just got set up this week. We have a Diamondback 6-color 8 station that a very awesome tech just sent up. And I have not printed a job on it yet, but I can tell you, I'm ready to mess up some shirts and get to learning.
High five.
Very nice.
Great success. So, Mario, how will the auto benefit your business?
All right, so the automatic is gonna do a number of things for me. And one of the most important things is to get some time back, because as I'm printing large orders, you know, especially high color counts, I'm finding myself stuck on the press longer than I need to, because another important part of the business is customer communication, artwork, invoices, all those things. And I need more time because I don't have a very large team. And another thing would be my body. I've had a couple injuries, and at this point, I don't anticipate stopping anytime soon. And the automatic is gonna really allow me to take some pressure off my body and also increase my production time, or should I say decrease? I don't know.
You have a big social media presence. How important is that for you to keep continuing to grow your business?
I think, you know, social media, it's a great tool for a number of reasons. And one that I really like is to get insight into other people in the industry. I get to see what I'm doing here, what they're doing there. I see shops all over the country and even in the world. I see people in South America and the different setups they have. Without social media, you don't have much of a presence. And I feel like these days you can use Instagram, at least for me, as kind of like the yellow pages. If you're out, it's almost like a business card. You can say, hey, you can check me out on CAGEHEAD Apparel on Instagram, and they might follow up with you.
And you print for a lot of cool brands and people. Who else? Who do you print for mainly?
All right, so as far as who I print for roofers, I print for bands, a lot of merch. I am printing for an MMA company, some restaurants. I've really print for anyone who needs
do it all.
T-shirts. Yeah.
Link below. If you need some merch, save it, send it, swipe up, and subscribe.
There we are.
What is the next stage of growth for CAGEHEAD Apparel?
So the next stage of growth for CAGEHEAD will be to fine-tune my printing on the automatic and just keep improving my product. Obviously, a lot more consistency is going to come with a machine that is automatic. So, number one. Number two, I want to be able to go on vacation at some point, and as of right now, I'm just basically myself. I'll bring in a few guys, but I don't technically have a full workforce. Hopefully within the year, bring in maybe 2, 3 guys or girls that I can get this machine running while I'm taking care of other things. But as of now, I will be the guy behind the press and behind the computer in the reclaim room and doing the graphic design.
You're a one-man band.
Yeah, I'm a one-man band, and I have to start to put together a team. And in the future, I see CAGEHEAD becoming a shop where, we have probably 2 presses. As of right now, we have a 6 color, which is gonna be wonderful for me. But I'm definitely going to want possibly like a 12 color where I can get more creative on it. And a bigger room without neighbors.
Mario, moving from manual to automatic, what are some of the pain points that happen?
The pain points. All right, so as far as pain point goes, doing the whole setup here, I had a lot of sleepless nights, a lot of stress that was probably unneeded.
Yeah, a couple of gray hairs right there.
Yeah, whoa.
Kidding.
I don't think I have any gray hair, but I probably will have some forming from the whole process. But I've done, a lot of the, I wouldn't say mistakes, but maybe longer ways of going about things that I now know. I could get it done quicker and help anybody else get their process
moving.
Getting the auto can be a little intimidating, and if you're a smaller shop like I am, it's not gonna be easy. You're gonna need friends, family, a few workers, and a lot of coffee. So just know that you're not alone. M&R, I've called them. You have to ask questions like the techs, other screen printers besides myself. Never be afraid to reach out, because we're all here to help each other. And I know that I've been helped a lot along the way, and I'd be very happy to help anyone else out.
Anybody that has the similar situation like Mario, where can they come find you, reach you for questions, advice?
All right, so when it comes to transitioning from the manual to the auto, I could save you a lot of time and a lot of headaches. Please reach out, and I can really help you.
Here's where the
get it done
Instagram is gonna go.
A lot easier. Instagram.
Right here.
Here.
Look at this familiar face from Chicago. It's Wally from K-Tech and the Sterling Company.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Come here.
How you doing?
We have to do an interview. All right. So you just installed Mario's new press.
Yep.
What has your experience been, and do you have any advice for people out there?
So Mario switched from manual chameleon, and first of all, what he was actually having to do is make sure his shop has enough space. That's number one. Number two, enough power. And first of all, we run into a couple of issues, but everything is squared and everything is working how it's supposed to be. So to all future customers, if you are switching from manual and you're going to your first automatic press, make sure you have enough money, space, and amperage in your building.
Mario, thank you for having us here. I want to give you the official M&R Blue Crew Screegee. Welcome to the fam.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I'm very excited. This is amazing. Can I print with this on the
No, nope.
All right.
Nope.
Maybe I'll hang it up. But this is the coolest squeegee I now own.
I would shake your hand, but I'm kind of cold. You want a chest bump again?
All right,
Say
fine.
goodbye.
One more chest
Ready?
bump out.
1, 2, 3. Oh yeah.
Oh God.
Another broken rib.
Yeah, my grandmom's gonna watch this.
Is she?
I don't know. She might. Oh, we're rolling right now?
Yeah.
Holy smokes, I thought we were rolling. I don't know what I'm saying.
I'm freezing over here.
We're cold. Where's the parkas?